Hello my Whoop friends. Because I converted my Whoop to AWG20 cable, I took the opportunity to make a short video for you. For all those who don't yet understand why I fly my Whoops with AWG20 cable. In short, if you like to use long main cables like me to fly comfortably with different Lipos, then AWG20 is definitely better for flight time and power. If you always make your main cables super short, then AWG the 22nd of may be enough for you. I don't know exactly where the border is, but I think your main cable shouldn't be longer than 2 cm for AWG22. For longer cables, the thicker AWG20 makes perfect sense, and the positive effect is definitely stronger than the additional weight of the thicker cable. By the way, your Lipos also use AWG20 cables, and I think the manufacturers don't do that without reason. For me, there is definitely no going back. AWG20 and BT 2.0 are mandatory for me. You have to decide for yourself whether it is worth converting your Whoop to AWG20 cable. It also depends on how good you are at soldering. It may be better if you stick with AWG22 if you are still a beginner in soldering. But with this video you now have something you can watch. Visual proof of the positive effect of the AWG20 cable. The positive effect is even stronger in flight, especially in fast racing flight. I hope this video motivates intermediate and pro pilots to try AWG20 cables. As a pro pilot you will feel the difference immediately. Have fun rebuilding it. I'm now continuing to work on how to fly FPV tutorial part 2. Let's see when I'll finish. It took a lot more time than I thought, also because I do a lot of other things on the side. But it will be finished at some point. If you are interested in this or in my next Whoop projects, then I would be happy to receive a subscription from you. Don't forget to activate the bell, then you will be notified of my next video. Happy whoopin' my friends. CYAA. If you would like to see this Whoop in flight, then please see my playlist of this Whoop. I made playlists of all my Whoops. You can find almost every Whoop there is in the world on my channel. Every possible combination of props and motors and frames and so on. Go to my channel and then playlists or videos, or search in the channel's internal search.